Hey guys, Danielle Cormier here and welcome back to my channel. If you're ready to see how I got this sparkly, delicious, yummy lip gloss poppin' look, go ahead and stay tuned. Enough talking. You know how I am right now, and these days in these videos I want them short and simple and sweet, and let's jump right into the video. Alright guys, so back to my 25 days of Christmas holiday and makeup tutorials. So I've already beat my face. I'm not doing anything special with my hair today because I just love this natural, like, flowy curl, you know, fro look. So today we're going to be using the Dominique Cosmetics. This is the Latte palette. Here she is right here. So gorgeous, so beautiful. I don't really have an idea of what I'm doing yet. We're gonna bring you guys in a little bit closer. Okay, so the next color we're going to be going in with is the color Hazelnut, which is another brown, but this is more of like a warm tone brown. So let's get that hint of red in it, and we're going to place it in the same place that we placed caramel. So next with the Morphe 562 brush and the color Matcha right here, which is this deep dark chocolatey color, we're gonna go right into the crease like so, and we're really gonna just deepen up what we've already been doing. So we're gonna start on the outer corner, bring her in. And I love this brush because it's so small and defined, and it just works so good at getting right in the crease. Okay, so next with just a clean brush, I'm going to use the Morphe 573 brush. I'm just going to go over the top of this and soften up these edges and blend them out. I'm going to take some of my Huda Beauty concealer and coat this brush like so. We're just going to take any old mirror and we're going to carve out the crease. And then we're going to highlight the brow bone with this color right here, Macchiato. So next we're going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the glitter adhesive. And then we're going to go in with the NYX Glitter Brilliance. This is the shade 6. I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Stunna Paint in the color Uninvited in a small, thin, flat brush to do a wing liner. Okay, so now that that's done, oh my god, that was the first time I ever used lipstick for like eyeliner. Wow. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and finish up the bottom lash line. I'm gonna be taking the color Cold Brew, this blue. So I'm gonna be taking the number 7. This is a long, this is the Lasting Precision eyeliner by Kiko Milano. And I'm gonna run that in my bottom lash line. And then I'm going to take this flat brush and dip it in the color Cold Brew and stamp it right along. Ooh, don't fall out. And then I'm going to go in again with the Morphe 526, and I'm going to take that color Hazelnut that we used before and blow this out. Then I'm going to be going in with the NARS. This is the Climax Mascara. Ooh, baby. And I have mascara on my nose. So now I have to wait for it to dry. Alright guys, so this is the final look. Go ahead and zoom out. Yeah, so this is the final look. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. This is, I don't know what video this is, 4, 3, 5. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Do not forget to like this video, comment, subscribe, tell your friends, tell your mother, tell your auntie, your sister, your cousin, whatever, whomever it may be. And I hope you guys have a great day. And again, be sure to comment if you have any ideas of what you would like me to do next. And I love you guys. Bye.